Hey YouTube, today we're going to start with a real simple cabin air filter replacement. First you want to remove the dampener from the sides, open the glove box. Here I use a little screwdriver just to push the little lock up from the bottom. Just pull it off there, let it hang. Next you just push in the sides of the glove box and it will drop right down. Alright, now you can see the door where the cabin air filter is held. Press the tabs on each side. Hinges up. Now I've got a laminated sheet of some instructions I had. I slide it underneath there, but you can use a poster board, something a little stiffer than just a little piece of paper, and that catches all the debris from the top of the filter, catches them from falling down in the blower motor and causing you a bunch of grief later. This cabin air filter was pretty dirty, but it's not the worst I've seen. You can see all the trash and debris in the louvers here. And compare it next to the new one. You see a good bit of stuff comes out of it. It's not that terrible though. Reassemble the filter, put it in the housing, make sure the arrows point the direction of the airflow, which is down. Put it in there, fold the door back down, lock the tabs on the side, push up the glove box, and you gotta install the dampener on the side. It just slides over the little dowel there, and that's it. You're done.